Welcome to Food Creations by Zubia Imran. Today we are going to prepare one family feast, and this is my home favorite feast. So when you will start your work, be happy with your positive and nice mood and go to the I took here some potatoes with medium size. If you can see here, I have cut it into round shape. They were medium size slices. I have marinated it with salt, red chili powder, and some olive oil. And today my plan is to marinate one complete whole chicken with my homemade spices. I took my favorite vegetables, potatoes, and some green beans. So I have already marinated my chicken and all my vegetables. I have added one tomato. The whole tomato I have cut it into half. It gives beautiful color to your dish, and for my own taste I have put it some green chilies on that. So it's your own choice. You choose your vegetables, you choose your flavors and spices. And preheat your oven on 180 degrees and you can bake your stuff. Like chicken takes normally 60 minutes to cook completely, and vegetable take less time as compared to chicken. So please you manage yourself and you check on and off that your vegetables and your chicken must be properly cooked. So you check again and again. I here the whole chicken with skin, and it is creating wonderful flavor in your whole stuff like vegetables and chicken. It will be moist and tender. You make sure when your tray is in the oven, then it must be placed properly. It must be fixed and set in the oven where everywhere you can just provide your heat to. So you make sure that in the oven the heat must be balanced and your all vegetables and chicken must be properly cooked. You check on and off, you flip upside down and downside up, and your chicken takes more time than vegetables. So be careful, you flip it, you check it, and if you know your heating system of your oven, then I hope you have a good idea that how much heating is required for your vegetables and for your chicken. So sometimes it depends on different heating systems of different companies' ovens. So be careful, and between this time you can just enjoy your cup of tea or cup of coffee. Here I want to introduce you one grain. This is called bulgur, and I have discovered it here in Germany that bulgur is a very famous grain here, and people are normally use in lunch or dinner. And this is look like this. This is in fact broken wheat, and these are the small pieces of broken wheat. I have served it with all my vegetables. I have just boiled my bulgur stuff with salt and pepper, and I have added some butter, and it gives wonderful texture to my bulgur, and I have served it with my baked stuff. I took vegetables before because they were completely cooked. I have covered it with foil sheet, and I have set aside because now it's the time to serve your dish in this way. Look at this, it looks divine. I have cut it one large tomatoes into slices, and I have just decorated it beautifully. You can add your favorite salads as well. Red, browns, oops, you can pick up with your hands. And look at this. This chicken was very properly cooked from both sides, very tender, very juicy, and so tasty. You give one slice of lemon, and look at this. My boiled bulgur is here under the chicken. You serve in a way, and it's just complete combo for whole family. So there are my grains. You add some salads, and I have set all my vegetables on the side of the dish, so you can just provide the combination of different things. So in one platter you can add vegetables, chicken, bulgur, and your salad. Look at this. And you just try to provide all flavors. Some people, they like to eat chilies like me, so you just add extra chili on that and make a balanced platter for a person. Add some green colors, provide some tomato or any kind of other colorful vegetables in form of salad. So you can choose anything of your choice. Use your aesthetic sense, use your taste and flavors, design your dish beautifully. If your eyes like a dish, then you can eat it well, and then the stomach will be happy. Use your aesthetic sense, and you check out that your platter must be a combination of presentation, colors, taste, flavors, and health. As you can see, I have taken care of the health point of view as well. There must be in one platter some meat in form of like protein, fiber in form of bulgur, vegetable. They are also source of different minerals and vitamins. So you enjoy your whole meal in this form, that you should not be worried about your health too. So this was so balanced food, so nicely planned, and I am sure, and I'm telling you, it was great in taste, and it was heavenly tasty. So guys, I hope you have liked this video, and if you have enjoyed that, then you please press like button and subscribe, which is very important to get more information about my channel and my next videos. So guys, you take care and keep yourself healthy and happy.